Where are you?
Wait, my camera trouble. I don't know what happened. You see me? No. Good
Hello.
morning. Wakey wakey. How early wake up, husband?
Oh,
Hmm?
huh?
How early wake up?
I'm awake.
Yup. Good morning. How's your sleep?
Good.
You undress. Feel hot? Hot today?
Yeah, very hot.
Are you going to see daddy today?
Yeah, I'm gonna pick him up.
Daddy going home today?
Yes.
Really? Thanks
Yeah, we don't
God.
know what time yet.
Do you have work this morning?
Yeah, a little bit, and then I have my interview at 1:30.
Yeah, 1:30. You told me.
Mhm.
Yeah, I remember. Brush your teeth, wash your face, fix yourself before working. Before go to daddy. What time pick up
Yeah,
daddy?
at the shave.
Wow.
We don't know yet. We don't know yet.
Okay. You're looking good. You're looking.
Probably after. Probably. Yeah. Thank you. Probably after interview.
Okay. How,
It's
how is
like
Sarah?
probably later. They don't. Huh?
How is Sarah?
Okay.
Okay. Your eyes red.
It's red.
Yeah. You're looking handsome, baby.
Thank you.
I want to kick you. I want to bite you.
Yeah, like this.
Mwah,
Sit down.
mwah. Happy to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
Yep. Okay.
Hi.
Love you.
Love you too.
Mwah. Okay.
Bye.
That calls. Fix yourself first. Eat first, baby husband.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Love you. Miss you.
Miss you too. Love you.